but we're definitely taking our time. Perfect. This is the perfect drone for this specific shot. So this isn't going to be necessarily picturesque. Dude, I am still freaking sketched out. All right, later. Bye. Dead random. Oh, man. All right, Dad Random here. Gonna fly the Avata 360. I'm trying to figure out which way I should do it, but I'm gonna fly controller because of where I'm at. We're gonna go up the Red Mountain. Reason why I'm gonna go controller is so I can watch very closely the area I'm flying. I've got a car right next to me, possibly people that are going to get near me. So anytime I've got potential for those things, you got to be extra careful. All right. So we're going to go ahead and take off. We're not going to spend too much time getting ready. We're not going to spend much time, preparing. I've been up here a bunch of times, so it's just been a while. Very, very bright today. The flying should be easy. Let's make sure I get plenty of satellites today. We got to make sure we've got all of our obstacle avoidance. So we'll be flying in normal mode. Sport mode will take us out of obstacle avoidance. So we want to make sure we have all of that. But it's been a while, so it should be interesting going up. I'd probably be more quiet than usual because for that reason. There we go. Okay, we've got satellites. Should be taking off in just a second. All right, here we go. Home point updated. We're taking off. And all right, real quick, gonna switch glasses out. So far, so good. All right, there we go. All right, should be good. Really, I do not have a clue about what the video is going to look like. It is kind of windy today. So we're going to take our time. All right, looks like we are heading upwind. There we go. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. 360 video, oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, just a different view. I'm just trying to stay in the middle. There we go. Wow, it's been so long. And we've got a really wide field of view. But we're very small. We have to remember, hey, we're small, we're small. So far, so good. I'm not getting any feedback from the sensors, so that's good. I'm not expecting the video to be that amazing. From this standpoint, because the rocks are all lit up like a Christmas tree, so this isn't going to be necessarily picturesque. But we are doing well. We're heading up, and we are almost to the tree. And at that point, we will have successfully made it to the top. Signal's great. All right, so we made it up. That's halfway. And I'll do a little pan. Change our viewpoint. And we will start our way down. So it's pretty windy up there, but we're doing a pretty good job. We're doing a pretty good job. But once again, this drone makes it actually easier to fly because of its narrow. It's wide point up this wide field of view, but it's small cross section. But coming down is so much easier than going up. But we're still taking our time. We're going to be very focused. And very deliberate. But we're definitely taking our time. Perfect. This is the perfect drone for this specific shot. But this is not the best time. It is actually pretty warm. I've got my back is getting hot because the sun is just baking me. It is high noon. But we're just keeping focus. We're staying centered. Very much different viewpoint with a 360 drone than it is with a GPS drone. It just looks way different. All right, we're going to take a right. We're going to head on over. Ooh, come on, stay up. There we go. We're going to head on to the right here. I'm going to fly along the ridge. I'm probably getting some wind, some thermals. We won't get too close to anything at this point because we are on the homeward stretch. But we're staying low. And then we're just gonna bomb home here in a second. All right. We are gonna hit the, all right, we gotta stay focused here. And 56%, good shape. Lost my way there for a second, holy crap. There we go, had to bring it up. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I've got lost on the Red Mountain. I can't believe I got lost there. It's just been so long, oh my gosh, it's just like a, there we go, there's the trail. So we're heading down. Where the wind wants to keep me up, I am pulling straight down. So we're gonna lunge forward here power-wise. We have to power it forward basically, just to go down. All right, we're good though. It's all gravity right now. I can see it. I can hear it fighting the wind right now. We'll bring it in. Wow, she is just battling the wind right now. That was a real wind battle. All right, we're gonna bring it in. Holy crap, she is totally battling the wind. All right. And we got the the door is open. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's how prepared I was today. Oh my gosh. Oh, that flipped open. That was pretty sketchy today. I would definitely pick a morning. You go ahead and we got that ended. I would definitely fly in the morning for sure, and definitely not not midday. But successful. We made it up and down. It's been probably, I don't know, 3 years since I've been up there. Been about 3 years. We'll go ahead and shut that down. All right. I didn't do a screen recording. Oh my gosh. Oh man, that's how how on the edge I was. But hey, we made it. All right. The Avata 360. Oh my gosh, you guys don't need to see the data. You don't need it. You just need to see the flight. But yeah, Avata 360 all the way to the top of the Red Mountain and back. All right, later. Dead random. You guys wanted it. There it is right there. Dude, I am still freaking sketched out. All right, later. Bye. Dead random. Oh man. 360 up the Red Mountain.